top 75 LeetCode question. Reverse vowels of a string, and this is an easy question, but it's actually very useful. The first thing we're going to do is basically, if there's two vowels, we're going to reverse them. So this A would get swapped with this I would get swapped with A. So in order to do this, we're going to use a 2-pointer. So while the left is less than right, we're going to have to check if the S left in vowels and the S right in vowels. So if they're both vowels, we're going to swap them. In order to swap them, we have to do a list. So we're going to switch this into a list temporarily. So we're going to do S R S left is going to become S left SR. So they're going to get swapped. So we're going to swap them, the vowels. Also, we needed to check if the length of S is equal to 0, then return. I guess you just return S. If there's nothing in there, you just return itself. So if it's like that, we switch them. Now we do LF. So if the left one is not in vowels, so if it's not in vowels, we need to increment left. We need a new pointer. So L is equal to L plus 1. We're going to get a new letter. Same with this. After the swap, L is equal to L plus 1. R is equal to R minus 1. We need 2 new letters. So if it's in there, we increment. And same thing again, LF, if the right value is not a vowel, then we need to get a new right value. So R is equal to R minus 1. And then at the end, we're going to return, we need to return the list back into a string. So this will turn it back into a string. And let's submit it. This should pass. It's not going to have the greatest speed time, but it is accepted. We did pass.